These are the giants that are building billion-dollar data centers, and they are relying on technology. They had record earnings. They reported 48% year-over-year revenue growth and doubled the net income in the last 12 months. That is insane. This just isn't a one-time spike, y'all. This is a company hitting its stride in the AI infrastructure. As it explodes, as it demands more, they're going to be at the center. Listen, why this stock could be the most important AI stock that nobody is talking about. Listen, if Nvidia builds the brain to AI, then this company is truly the nervous system. And while everyone is flashing and chasing and obsessed behind tech giants, this stock quietly surged over 700% in 2023, and it's still just getting started. Listen, in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why this company could be the backbone of the entire AI revolution and why smart money is flooding it now. Listen to me, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trap, and today we're going to break down an amazing company. But before we get into it, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe, and I want you to share this. Now, before I start getting to you, I know you're anticipating. I need you to know that's not me in the chat telling you about WhatsApp. It's not me telling you about Telegram. I ain't doing none of that. I'm just giving you real game right here. So get your pen and paper. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. Let's go. All right. Y'all been wanting to know. Listen, I'm going to say something to you now. It isn't a sexy name like Apple or Tesla. All right, let's get that out of here, right? But they make the hardware that powers the AI era. They provide the power system, the thermal management, the AI, the IT infrastructure for the world's largest data centers, right? So listen, think of it like this. AI needs GPUs to think, right? But GPUs, they generate massive heat. And if that heat isn't managed, then performance dies. And this is where VRT steps in. They cool the brain of the AI while keeping the power up 24/7. Think about like when you was in your house, right? And you remember when it was, all right, I'm from an era where we used to have box fans in the window. You know what I'm saying? Like, and them box fans be going. Listen, and you always tell yourself, like, man, that thing pushing hot air, but turn that fan off and see how hot it really get. Or if y'all was like me when I was young, what I used to do is I used to throw water in a fan. I used to throw water. I used to throw water in the fan, let the water kick back on it, right? Well, think of VRT as that. These GPUs, they produce so much heat. One of the things that VRT does is produce the cooling system. So why is this stock really exploding, y'all? So watch this. In the last year, VRT stock has exploded over 200%. Here's why. AI infrastructure boom with Nvidia chips demanding specialized cooling and uninterrupted power. Let's just stop right there. Specialized cooling with uninterrupted power. They can't afford to go down. And then they got hyperscaler clients, people like Amazon, people like Google, people like Microsoft. These are the giants that are building billion-dollar data centers, and they are relying on VRT's technology. They had record earnings. They reported 48% year-over-year revenue growth and doubled the net income in the last 12 months. That is insane. This just isn't a one-time spike, y'all. This is a company hitting its stride in the AI infrastructure. As it explodes, as it demands more, they're going to be at the center. Listen, the AI gold rush is here, but the infrastructure wins, y'all. Think about it like this. In the gold rush, people needed what? Picks and shovels to go get gold. Well, VRT is the pick and shovel. Right now, everyone's talking about Nvidia, Supermicro, AMD, AVGO, but they're missing a key component, y'all. All those chips need a place to live. Just like Levi got rich off the gold rush selling jeans. You ain't know that. I just plugged you. That's how Levi got his name. There was the gene for people doing in the gold rush. Okay, so I'll just give you another gym inside of a gym, right? Well, they selling the tools to the miners, right? And the numbers back it up. Global AI data centers are spending a projected, this number is just crazy, $200 billion by 2027. VRT is strategically positioned in the power and cooling sector, one of the highest growth areas in infrastructure. They recently signed a multi-year deal with leading hyperscaler providers. Now, this just isn't hype, y'all. This is the real deal. Now, watch the business model, though. This is the thing that is really crazy, right? Here's what gives them such a serious edge. First, they have what's called a switching moat, right? Once their thermal power system is installed in the data center, replacing that is a massive, massive risk and cost, right? Global reach is over 170 countries with 3,000 plus engineers and major contract costs across USA, Europe, and Asia. Listen, watch this. This is what I love. So for me, one of the things I love the most in any business is recurring revenue. 30% of their business model is recurring revenue with ongoing support, maintenance, and monitoring, which means they can upsell on that. So they're not just a hardware company, they're a company that's becoming critical to every AI data center. Watch this. The risk and reward is so amazing here, right? Not only do they just like secrete themselves in these businesses, but even if AI spending slows and we hit a serious slowdown, right? They still would get the recurring revenue model from the maintenance. Now, the valuation is heating up, so it's not really cheap, but sometimes you got to pay the cost to be the boss. And because we had these massive dips in the market, great time to get in. Here's what I really want you to double down on, right? Analysts are expecting this company to grow at least 20 to 30% in revenue over the next 3 years. They're a leading niche where demand is growing faster and faster and faster than the supply. In my opinion, the upside for this is phenomenal. Now, watch this. Here's where I think this is a multi-million-dollar takeaway. If the AI race is really just beginning, but the companies that power the race win in silence, VRT may not be the largest stock in the room, but they might be just the most essential one in the game. I want you to do the research and let's follow the money. And always, always, always invest in things that the world cannot live without. Listen, man, if you like this video, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and drop a comment if you believe that VRT is one of the AI infrastructure stocks that you should be looking to. And if not, let me know why you don't like it. Either way that cut go, send me something in the chat. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Salute.